sukad itong 1995, karon 27 mga 22 ka tuig na. Kana magbiyahe mi og probinsya na ang memorable gina ko nga katong nada ko sa Vatican katong pag San Pedro kalungsod nga kanonisasyon. Dito ko naka-document ko to pag San Pedro kalungsod. Mga to yung mga usas mga lake kalimtan.
I have very, very fond memories of our beloved Cardinal. He being the spiritual patron and protector of our confraternity of the Knights of St. Peter and St. Paul. And we had a very, very close friendship.
Nakaiyang kong na liaison officer for 25 years. Para nako ang highlights in matters religious katong iyang pangandam hangtod pagcanonize ni Saint Pedro Calungsod. It took us many years. Also in matters of religion, this cathedral
tambang lolo, magbiyahe mi na, kumain ka na sa mi, gwapo ba ako sa picture? Sa una, wala pa may digital, negative pa.
in matters political, para nako ang highlight kadtog yung pag-adto namo sa Honolulu to see for ourselves how sick Ferdinand Marcos was. We said mass for him, we anointed him, and Cardinal Vidal, as a good shepherd, extended to him the hand of forgiveness in the name of the Filipino people.
He was a very, very good, wonderful host to all his guests. He loved to have people with him all the time. And we will remember him fondly for all those very precious moments. But one thing that he shared with us is his great love for the Santo Niño. The Santo Niño of Cebu was always number one to him, and of
Atong higayon lang atong na biktima ko sa sunog sa Tipalilla. Wagi dugay nga hinabang niabot ko dayon. Dayon hinabang.
Daghang kaayong himo. He was small in stature, in size, pero he was big of heart and tall in courage in choosing the way of truth nga mao iyang motto. I have chosen the way of truth, not only in matters of faith and morals, but also in the area of politics and economics.
Many times, pero he has been very, very close to us. And talagang, I was always here in Cebu with him in his new place. Then he went to Rome, and he also went to our house. Very, very touching. He's so kind and very humble. Very humble.
looked at us and recognized us, and we felt very blessed, but also at the same time very saddened because he passed away. But we know that right now he's watching after us there in heaven with our Lord. God bless our beloved Cardinal. We will miss him.
Pahulay nila yung ihatag kanina o ito. Upahulay ang grasya sa kanila. Ang iyang kalag ng mga kalag sa makituon na namatay na tungkol sa Diyos ng kalukoy, upahulay ang sa kanila.